All right. We got the tadpoles on track walk. Just won them at the carnival. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20-man gate. This is my gate for the main event last night. Freaking, I think I was right here. Outside. Bombed inside. I think I got like...
Third.
What was I off the whole shot? Like fourth?
Third or fourth.
Third or fourth?
You were in line for third.
And then I got second to last. So we're going to go for a better tonight. I think I'm going to still rip outside.
Wait, they're looking at your nostrils.
So we're gonna walk a quick lap with our little tadpole friends. So yesterday was, so this is a 2-day race. Each class has a heat race and a main event that are very short. It's like a 30-second lap time. They only do like 4 or 5 laps. The heat race actually felt like the main for me. First ever gate drop. Honestly, it wasn't that bad, but I was almost last. It felt like I was in front. 2 people next to me were way behind me, so I think I won it. But now that I'm confident I won't crash, I'm not jinxing it on the whole shot, then I'm actually gonna rip it. I didn't really try off it. I kind of stalled to kind of see what was gonna happen, but yeah.
Let's walk this way.
This is the wall jump that I'm not hitting today. That one is just a brake check. Let's just follow the track. So the A guys are either gonna double this or triple it, but I'm not an A guy. I'm a C class warrior. So that wall, basically you just brake check it, try to get the back tire down, and then double this. On this, usually I go inside. It tends to be the fastest for me. There's not very many ruts. It's so dry. So yeah, if I can just get inside on it, and then I can get back to this double really quick. Oh, this is money right here. So this double here, I was really confident in. I was hitting it pretty easily. But I won't hit this one out of the corner. Today I'm gonna do it, but I was being really soft yesterday. I think that's why I got third to last. And that's why I was really pissed off yesterday. Yeah, this one's easy.
I never even saw it.
But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do a little bit better today. I don't want to say it, but I had to get the first race nerves out. It still counts as the first race because, you know, same event. Right here, I think it was like on the back side of this. I ate it. I think I just tucked the front end. I think I came around here. I caught some loose gravel or loose dirt. Tucked the front end on like the last. That was a main event. Yeah, I think it was a main event, but I was already dead last. So after this double, it goes into 4 rollers. The pro guys are going 3 and singling out, but I'm not a pro. Then we go into this bowl turn. These are just double doubles. I was really scared yesterday to first do it, but once you do it, it's really easy. You double in. Yeah, I don't know why I was scared to do this double yesterday. One of the laps, I literally get up to it, bomb around this corner, get to it, and then be like, oh wait, I never hit this, and I slow down. I was being such a baby.
Okay, now I can record.
I'll hit this one today. This is not too bad.
Oh, look here, sir. Put your hand down. You started today.
Losing my shit. I'm losing my shit.
You know why?
No, I'm not actually.
If we would have stopped at Starbucks on the way.
That's a great point. Yeah, pants are falling off during the race.
Wait, what's that one guy? That nutsack guy.
Cameron McAdoo?
Yeah, Sackadoo.
Cameron Sackadoo?
This is 250C. These kids are generally younger, kind of in their teens, and they want to win in front of mom, dad, friends, and family, girlfriend, whatever it is. They want to race in Lake County in front of the crowd. This is the biggest crowd they race in front of all year long here at Lake County, unless they do arena cross or something like that. So they're going to get wild. Mitch Cooley out front on the Arlington equipment ride. The La Heca family helping him out too. FXR. Oh, Cooley whipping her sideways. Don't count out Brian Peterson on the 112. Brian has been really fast. I talked to him a few hours ago. He says this is the only race I do all year long. And he is all over Cooley. Then that Ryan in third. I've known his dad Carl for a long time. Good to see this kid ripping it up now on the number 60. Spencer Hine. I'm worried about Peterson. He's all over Cooley. Peterson ride very smooth, really calculated there. There's Hine. There's Bell on the 14. He's had a good week here in Lake County. There's the 7 of Owen Mills. The 924 ride of Kozak. And the 111 that belongs to Endrizzi. Probably sit on the 216. Where's our battle? There's our battle for the lead. Coming through this final corner here. Still Cooley and Peterson. Arlington Equipment, FXR, La Heca. You've also got Doc's Dumpsters, 980 Track. EZR, Profound. Power Commercial, and Toasty Cheese. Peterson all over Cooley. Cooley slipped one in. That makes the difference right there. White flag for DA2. Who looks back? See where Peterson is. Oh, 722 coming short. Rogers. The 14 Bell. He's been in the mix all week. So far here at Lake County. Where's our leader? There they are over the big double. Peterson's all over Cooley. He's got to go inside. Good for Cooley, but he's got lappers. Cooley's got lappers. Here comes Peterson. Peterson, go inside. You got to go inside. Square it up. To the line. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner. Oh, Cooley and Peterson side by side. What a race. Good job, boys. 250C, always a good one. Hine is going to finish up third. Up next, 50cc Open. After that, 450 Pro. B's at 5, Mackenzie at 6. All right, it is Michael Hicks on the Rock River Yamaha FXR ride out front. Chase Kessler second. O'Neill, Kessler Concrete. Trip one out. Cam in third. Tesla in 4. He's in 5 and RJ McKenzie in 6. Yeah, it's a fender slap. Good job, RJ. All right, it is Hicks all the way from Kessler. Hicks, a 5-time General Tire Arena Cross champion. Kessler on that Yamaha second, got 14th at Daytona Supercross this year. Kessler just qualified for Red Bud. Hicks made a huge mistake. Kessler, I know, yeah, I agree. Kessler up front, Kessler in second. Cam in third. Run it. Open C, here we go. Hang on to your hats. We're gonna sell you the seat, but you're only gonna need it. Oh, it's Cooley out front. Deacon Cooley. On the Arlington Equipment FXR ride. Then you got Peterson in second. Watch these kids, some of them are jumping it. Oh yeah. Tyler Bell on the 14 ride. Covelli, Pine on the 60. Moise, Peterson, Laha, Alagar, Mead, Anthony Lewandowski, and Dylan Kozak. This is Open C. Actually looking good up front. Now on the 14, Peterson on the 112. What up? Oh, the number 6 from off the track. Rex Balick. There's Cooley. Oh yeah, he's ripping it up tonight. Then you got a good battle here. Peterson. Peterson up to second. Gets around Bell. Bell in third. We're going to water the track. Trust me. We're going to get some water down. Look at this battle. 4, 5, 6, and 7. You got Hines, Thrill, out Aguilar, Mead, all going at it. Oh, white flag is out for Cooley. Open C. Peterson jumping the triple still. As the sun is setting, hey Kurt, we need to hit the lights. Let's hit the lights, Kurt. Need to turn these bubble lights on. All right, final lap for Open C. Oh, one rider. Coming up short. Let's look for Cooley. Where's Cooley? He's in the rhythm section around the final corner. Lake County, watch this, Chris. Deacon Cooley, lots to whip it here on the jump. Let him hear ya! Cooley, yeah! Woo! Peterson, second. Good ride, buddy. Third is Bell. Kozak in there. My buddy Anthony Lewandowski. Pine. And the 7 ride. Up Nathan Bills. Awesome ride. We're going to move to our 50s real quick. I got to turn on the lights here real close next to me. Kurt, hit the lights. Kurt.
Oh, boy.
Coming up next, this is a big one. 250C, 16 entries. Pretty much full gate for this one.
Right next to Ronnie. This smells so bad. Come this way a little bit.
Hang on to your hats, here we go. We'll sell you the whole seat, but you're only going to need the edge. Oh, a couple riders getting together in the first turn. they're getting crazy already. 250C, get your videos out. Oh, yeah. Shivani and Cooley, 1 and 2. That Yamaha in third. It's the 131 on Hammond in 7th. The 924 ride. Dylan Kozak. Got Shane Larson on the 25. Mohammed Shannon on the 33. Colt Ludwig, the 37. Jamie Andretti on the 111. Brian Peterson, the 112. Josh Simpson, 191. There's Cooley. Anthony Lee, 375. Dylan. Oh, and he doesn't jump the double. Peterson in the lead. Cooley second. This is going to hit good. They're back here on the double right here. Peterson on the other one. Oh, right in the field. They're not in the section. They got some lappers. Peterson, bring it off. This is what comes to the 450. Cooley in second. The 14 ride of Tyler Bell in third. So it's Cooley Shapini, the 14 Bell. Now hitting the, oh, Cooley, something happened to Cooley's bike. Oh, man, he might have stalled it. And he slips back to second. I think he just stalled it there. Yeah, third, really? Is that Peterson? I thought he was second, the 14th. So Peterson now moving into second somehow. Yeah. Peterson, Shapini, Cooley, and Bell. This is going to get good here, guys. 1 to Bell. White flag is out. Peterson into the lead. Where did he come from? Now he's racing the 250F, and I think he's going to pull it off. Checkers should be coming out this time around. Brian Peterson takes a win. Shapini second, Cooley third, Bell in fourth. Wow, that turned out crazy. Tobin there. And, no, that's Tobin, so probably we'll finish it up there. Last race.
Raw Dog Ron's got the cooler on the roof.
I'm fucking going in. No.
The cooler.
No.
Man, the f***ing cooler.
His phone's in the cooler.
I can't even grab my phone right now, bro.
Is it in the cooler? Is it? I don't know. The cooler was on the roof.